Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to fix RAM speed. We'll start by understanding what RAM speed means for your computer's overall performance. Then, we'll walk through the essential steps to ensure your memory is running at its optimal frequency. This process can significantly boost your system's responsiveness and efficiency. Get ready to unlock your RAM's full potential with these straightforward instructions. First, let's check your current RAM speed. You can quickly see a basic overview in Windows Task Manager under the Performance tab. For more detailed information, you'll need to enter your computer's BIOS or UEFI settings. This step is crucial to establish a baseline before making any adjustments. Knowing your current settings helps you verify improvements later on. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. On another note, just like optimizing your RAM, efficient meal prep can save you a lot of time. Make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. You can find the link for these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. The easiest way to fix RAM speed is by enabling its XMP or dock profile. Restart your computer and press the designated key, usually Delete or F2, to enter BIOS. Navigate to the Memory or Overclocking section. Find the XMP for Intel systems or dock for AMD and select the highest available profile. Save and exit to apply these optimized settings. For advanced users, manual RAM overclocking offers more control. In BIOS, you can manually set the DRAM frequency and timings. Make small adjustments, like increasing the frequency by 100 MHz at a time. Remember to also adjust the voltage slightly if needed, but always proceed with caution. Test your system's stability after every change to prevent issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.